Here's how I solve 3 hard SAT questions in under 30 seconds. Hey guys, so we're gonna use Desmos to solve this SAT question. Okay, so this equation represents the 2 roots of the quadratic equation, and our goal is to find a possible value of x by solving the value of b and c first. So we can treat them as a matrix and use this square bracket, and on the left hand side we're gonna put negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4c, my bad. And the other one is negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4c. And then we have our equivalent to value. And then the other one is gonna be 18 corresponding to the first one, and 10 corresponding to the next one, to the second one. As you can see, we have our answer for b and c, which is negative 14 and 45. Now all we gotta do is just put the whole equation of x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So now as we can see in the graph, 2 of these values of 5 and 9 as our x-intercept. So the possible value of x could be 5 or 9. So either 2 of these choices will be our correct answer for this question. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So now we have this system of equation. So let's see. So we have 2/5 over here, which correspond to g, and 7/5 to k, and 2/7 to 5/2. And the system has infinitely many solutions, and it's asking for the value of g over k. So now in Desmos, all we gotta do is just put fraction for those values, which is 2 over 5 over g equals to 7 over 5 over k equals to 2 over 7 over 5/2. Let's go a bit over 5/2. So now all we gotta do is just have our first fraction, 2 over 5 over g, equivalent to the answer, which is 2 over 7 over 5/2. And we just do the same for k. 7 over 5 over k equals to 2 over 7 over 5/2. So now we're just gonna type in the value of g over k. Oh, this has to be equivalent to. And then we have our decimal, and we just click this in order to change the fraction, which shows us that our answer is going to be 2 over 7. Okay, so the second way of doing this, we're just going to put the first whole equation, which is 2 over 5 x plus 7 over 5 y equals to 2 over 7. So now as you can see in the graph, we have 2 of these coordinates. We're going to type 2 of those, the second line and the third line. First we have 0.20408. And second, the other one is gonna be 0.71429. Oh, it's gotta be opposite. So now we're gonna type in the table. We have 0, 0.2, 0.408. And then we have the other one, Now we just type in the second equation with x1 equivalent to 5 over 2. Then all we have to do is put g over k. And this is approximately to our previous value of 2 over 7. We can just type 2 over 7 here. It's gonna be approximately the same. It's just different at this 102 and 142. But in the SAT, we can put decimal in only 3 decimal point. Okay, so we're gonna end this video with a system of equation SAT question. Okay, so we're literally gonna put the whole equation in Desmos. So firstly, we have 3 over 2y minus 1 over 4x equals 2 over 3 minus 3 over 2y. And the second one's gonna be 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. And this one's gonna have the p value that we gotta find. And we're gonna add slider. So as you can see both of these equations, so as the question says that if the system has no solution, what's the value of p? So we're gonna find the value of p that two of these lines does not intersect. So we're gonna just roll this slider till two of these lines doesn't intersect, as such as right here at 6. So as you can see, if I scroll infinitely, I'm not gonna see any value here because none of the lines intersect each other. So we can conclude that p equals 6 is gonna be our answer for this question. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more Desmos hacks like this.